हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज की वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लास 8 एसएस चैप्टर नंबर 6 फ्रीडम मूवमेंट। इस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1885 AD to 1947 AD and this is your last part 3 of this chapter. Part 3 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 गिव हिस्टोरिकल रीजन्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, we celebrate 26th January as Republic Day every year. Now, historical reason give answer. A resolution of complete independence was passed in the Congress session of Lahore in 1929 AD. It was chaired by Jawaharlal Nehru. A resolution was passed to celebrate this day as Purna Swaraj Divas. In remembrance of this day, the Indian Constitution was implemented on 26th January 1950. So, we celebrate this day as Republic Day every year. Now, question number 1 completed. Question number 2. Viceroy Lord Mountbatten decided to patrician India. Answer. Lord Mountbatten was appointed the Viceroy. Communal riots were going on in many parts of the nation. Due to the non-cooperative attitude of the Muslim League, the interim government could not function. There was no possibility to a compromise regarding Swaraj between the Congress and the Muslim League. As a result, Viceroy Lord Mountbatten decided to partition India. Question number 8. Answer the following question as required. Question number 1. Which factors were responsible for the emergence and development of nationalism in India? Write 3 points. Answer M. The following factors were responsible for the emergence and development of nationalism in India. Point number 1. Uniform British administration. After the British Company brought the country under its rule by the mid-19th century, it established uniform law and administrationally to Indians by the British. Second point. Economic exploitation. Because of the policy of economic exploitation of the British government, the peasants were ruined and artisans became unemployment under industrious collapse. Thus, economic dissatisfaction and a sense of injustice united the people against the British government. Point number 3 आता है English education. As a result of English education, a small but powerful class of intellectuals emerged in India. Western education instilled a longing for self-government and interdependence them. Question number 2. Briefly explain the revolutionary activities in India. Write 5 points. Answer M. Revolutionary activities were first started in India by Vasudev Balwant Phadke of Maharashtra. He organized the backward caste and gave them combat training. Second point है the deadly plague had spread in many parts of Mumbai and Maharashtra. Ran the chief plague commissioner and his assistant harassed people at such a time. So the angry duo Damodar Chafekar, Balkrishna Chafekar killed Rand. Battle were arrested and sentenced to death. Third point, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar founded the revolutionary against organization called Mitra Mela in 1980, which was later known as Abhinav Bharat. Savarkar book Indian War of Independence 1857 was the first book in the world to be banned before its publication. He carried out revolutionary activities in London. The British government arrested him. Point 4. The committee of which Barindra Ghosh became the main leader later on was the Anushilan Samiti. The organization made extensive effort to spread revolutionary literature, training, etc. Point 5. Khudiram Bose and Praful Chandra Chaki planned to kill the magistrate Kingsford. Question number 9. Write a short note on. तो दांडी मार्च के ऊपर आपको शॉर्ट नोट लिखना है. तो आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हो. इन 1930 AD, गांधी जी announced that he would travel on foot to break the unjust salt law. He marched to Dandi for his purpose. The tax imposed on salt was the work injustice of the British government. The British government had monopolized the production and sale of salt. Gandhiji and many other leaders believed that levying tax on salt was a sign because it is basic need for our food. Gandhiji started marching to Dandi Sisar of Navsari district from Sabarmati Ashram with his 78 satyagrahis. On 12th March 1930, he covered a distance of 370 km on foot. This historical journey has become famous as the Dandi March. On this day, he organized meetings in various villages like Asli Bareza, फिर नंदई, आनंद, रास, जम्बूसर, सूरत, नवसरी etc. He reached Dandi on 5th April. Early in the morning on 6th April 1930, Gandhiji violated the salt law by picking up a pinch of salt in his hand on the shores of Dandi. He started the civil disobedience movement. This movement of breaking the salt law started in various parts of our country. तो ये था आप लोग का लास्ट पार्ट जो मैंने आप लोग को बता दिया. वीडियो अच्छा लगा लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. मिलते हैं उस समय. जय हिंद, जय भारत.